Hey everybody, it's me Megs, and this video I'm gonna talk to y'all about how I gently remove my wigs when I do glue them down around the perimeter. I don't glue my wigs down on a regular basis, and when I do glue them down, I'm not sleeping in them. I'm not wearing them for an extended period of time, only for a couple hours. So what I use, I glue my wigs down with the Spirit Gum by Graftobian or Ben Nye. And I got this trick from celebrity stylist Kaya Wright because she used this to bond my lace on my fabulous blonde wig that I've been rocking on Instagram. So to gently remove that, I do use alcohol, or I do use the Spirit Gum Remover by Ben Nye, and either one works just as fine. I do use Q-tips to kind of make sure that I place the remover on the lace only, because I don't want to get it on the hair because it can kind of weigh the hair down, make it kind of greasy and things like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I use the Spirit Gum Remover. It's the same act as if I were to use the alcohol. It just depends on what you have. So what I do is I take, the Spirit Gum, dip it with a Q-tip, girl. And I just kind of pat it on the lace only, and it kind of like loosens up everything. You don't want to rip this off, okay? You just kind of want to have the product melt away the glue. So I'm just kind of taking my time, and I do kind of try to lift it up to make sure that I have enough, but I don't just rip it up off of there, because that's how you'll be edgeless, okay? We don't want them kind of snatch edges, we don't want that. So as you can see, it kind of just melts away, and you're able to lift the lace off of your head, okay? So I just kind of continue to do this and take my time. Like I said, I do not sleep in my wigs at all. I don't glue my wigs down often. I glue my wigs down once every blue moon if I feel like it's necessary, if I'm going somewhere and I really need my wig secure. But other than that, I'm going glueless. So this is just for those who are interested in seeing well, how do you remove it when you do remove it? This is exactly how I do it. And then once I do remove it, I just kind of lay my wig on a wig head and just kind of let her chill there. So as you can see, it's gently coming about or coming off, coming about and coming off. And so you are bound to get a bit of the Spirit Gum Remover product on your natural edges because it's such a liquidy, oily kind of texture. So that is bound to happen. And I don't really mind because, like I said, I don't do this often or at all because, I just don't. So I just continue to do this. And like I said before, if you choose to use alcohol, it's the same thing that you would do. I don't really have a preference over which one I prefer to use over the other. As far as the alcohol or the Spirit Gum Remover, they both equally work. So that is all done, and I just take my time and work that on in the lace to make sure it lifts on its own and it's not tugging on anything and it's on the skin, okay? So to further remove any residue, I do use a makeup remover wipe, and normally at the end of the night I'm taking my makeup off anyway, so this doesn't bother me. But I just want to make sure that I clean the area. You also can take a cotton ball of alcohol and kind of just wipe that area on your forehead as well if you choose to. But I'm about to wash my face because I'm taking my makeup off and I'm going to sleep. So that is pretty much it, y'all. That is all I do. I just take my time with all of this, and make sure you don't rush it because you don't want to do the most on your skin. You want to be very, very careful if you choose to use Spirit Gum to bond your lace down for extra snatches. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. All the products that I talked about will be down in the description below, and I will see you guys next time.